We almost there, y'all.
That was like 30 minutes ago. Okay, so did you build this?
Yes.
Okay, you got to tell me the story. Is it like you bought the lumber, you found the wood, the fencing?
With Lowe's, we pretty much got everything. The 2x8.
Cedar?
No.
Okay.
I sealed it with stain.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, cedar costs too much.
How long did it take you to build this? About 2 years?
Month?
Hold on a second, you did this in a month?
Yeah, my days off.
By yourself?
Yeah. I'd say it took about 30 days.
I'm so mad. I'm serious. I'll be trying to build something and it'll take me I'll start and then 3 months later I add a piece and then a year later I add another piece. Yeah, and you built this whole thing in a month. 30 days. Okay, so you bought the lumber, you got the fencing. Okay.
I was on Pinterest doing all kinds of research.
Yeah, Pops told me that you Google everything. So you got okay.
Yeah. Just looking for ideas.
And you designed it yourself, or you copied the design?
Well, a lot of people are doing the fencing and stuff, so I didn't think it was going to be this big to start out with, but it just kept going.
Yeah, this is huge.
The first thing I put in was this.
Okay.
The asparagus bed. I use old lumber all around the house.
Okay. And what are you growing in this one?
Asparagus.
Asparagus. And that's asparagus?
So that's asparagus when you let it go.
Uh-huh.
So starting over here, we have some tomatoes.
Okay.
And onions.
No name tomatoes, right?
They used to be named. When I started out, they're named.
Okay.
Yeah. So I started everything in the greenhouse over there behind us, back in January.
Okay.
Once the weather gets right, I'll bring them out here. And that's when the names disappear.
Homero, vem aqui. Okay. Sit. Yeah, Sancta Fi. Sancta. Oh, well, he's not listening. Okay, all right.
Add some green onions in there.
Okay.
Or these are leeks. For the smell to try to help deter the bugs.
Okay, okay.
I'm trying to do green beans right here. Purple beans.
Yes, I got these going.
Yeah, I had the whole thing filled up, but this is the only thing that's survived.
Okay.
Gonna have black and yellow green beans.
Mm-hmm. I don't have the black.
They're ready to be picked.
Already?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Start everything in the greenhouse, so by the time they get out here, the roots are strong. And of course, lettuce. Got some romaine lettuce.
Okay.
Picked, so if y'all want to take some with you, please do.
Well, if you want some lettuce, man, we can take lettuce with us.
Yeah. You just put your kitchen stuff in there along with some regular.
Then spin it.
And spin it every now and then.
Every now and then, okay.
Just to mix it up. Easier to turn it over. Frying potatoes in the bag.
Okay.
Time for these. Start out young and just keep adding.
Yes. Keep adding the dirt all the way up. Okay. So we got corn. Uncle Jonas, you gonna give him some of that corn I gave you?
Sure. This is Indian corn right here.
Ooh. So what color would it be?
It's a multicolored.
Multicolored. Wow. That's nice. I'm digging this design.
So this used to be a plastic greenhouse.
Okay.
With the aluminum support beams.
Yes.
But then one day
the wind took it. Yeah. Yeah, the wind takes those.
You got some
watermelon?
Cantaloupe right here.
Cantaloupe, okay.
Watermelon right there. Some more watermelon over here.
Okay. Ooh, black. The little round balls.
Round,
Yes.
Then behind us we have some beets.
Uh-huh.
And onions. Got the beets and the onions mixed in there. With the tomatoes behind there.
And you don't have a door, so you don't have to worry about rabbits or anything?
They got those dogs running up and down.
Yeah.
No, eventually I'm gonna put a door on.
Okay.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out how to.
Okay, so these are some of the new guys.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know if I heard plum. I've never heard of that one.
This came from fast growing.
Okay. Cherry tree. Birds are gonna get those. The birds are gonna get those. Mine would have been gone. Yep. YouTube. Another word for cherry is Sedasia. This is, hold on, don't tell me this is the Ayers pear. It's not that. Yeah, this is an Ayers pear. You sure? Kefir. Wow. Okay, so you clear circles. I see that. That's one thing I've never done.
Makes it easier to cut grass.
Yeah, but then also weed protection too. This is a fig tree. This is a low special. This is this a celestial brown turkey? Now this looks the same as that one. Is this the Ayers pear? Yep.
Yep.
Okay. This is one I have in the front yard. And this looks like a grapevine.
Yep.
Ooh. Ooh. Man, I'm jealous. Okay, how long had the grapes been in ground?
So the first, well, this row right here has been 2020, 2021.
Wow. Have you gotten anything yet?
Not much.
Okay. Usually what, 3 years? Yeah, usually 3 years to start getting grapes. So what are y'all gonna do with the grapes?
A little bit of everything.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Oof.
Jelly. Grape juice.
Grape juice, yeah. Now, are these Concords or various types?
Various types.
Various types, okay. Blackberries, right? Wow. I got some ideas that I'm gonna use when I get home. This is wonderful. We just finished a tour at my cousin's house, 12 acres of land. We got fruit trees all the way around. I'm counting probably about 25, 30 trees on the orchard part.
Probably closer to 70.
70? Okay, so I'm counting 70 trees. My math is not that good. We saw, in the back, we saw blackberries, a grape orchard, not just grapes, but an orchard, winery. We had some Kiwana blackberries. I've never heard of those before. He said about this big. I'm gonna do my research. So, thanks for watching. Peace.